General Vijay Kumar Singh, PVSM, AVSM, YSM, ADC, MP, born on 10th May 1951 to Captain Jagat Singh was, later Colonel, in military hospital at Pune, an officer then serving in the 14th Battalion the Rajput Regiment of the Indian Army. His grandfather served as a 3rd Cavalry, and all 5 brothers of his father all served in the army, either joining the 1 Cent Horse, Skinner's Horse, or the 7th Rajput Regiment. His maternal grandfather, Subedar Shimbu Singh, also served in the army and hailed from the Bora Kalan village in the Gurgaon district. His village has been founded by the Rajput rulers and has been in past time indulged in fighting with the Mughal and has produced many warriors. He was inspired by men who served the army from the British times. At the age of 8, he joined the Birla Public School in Pilani, Rajasthan, a boarding school. He joined the National Cadet Corps during his schooling and served in all 3 wings. He joined NDA as he qualified in the entrance exam, and having filled Air Force as his first choice, he appeared before the number 1 Air Force Selection Board in Dehradun. He entered the National Defence Academy, NDA, in 1966. A part of the Hunter Squadron, he held several cadet appointments at the NDA. In his 5th term, he became a corporal, the Battalion Cadet Captain, BCC, in his 6th term, and officiated as the Academy Cadet Captain, ACC, for a short while. At the request of his father, he was moved from the Air Force to Army in his 5th term. After graduating from the NDA, he entered the Indian Military Academy, IMA, in June 1969. He was assigned to the Casino Company at the Academy. He was appointed Senior Under Officer, SUO, in his 4th term. He passed out from the IMA in 1970, placed in the top 10 on the merit list. Singh's career in the military was of 42 years from year 1970 to 2012. He started his career when he was commissioned in the 2nd Battalion of Rajput Regiment after graduating from Indian Military Academy and retired after serving as the Chief of Army Staff, India. He has been a part of many wars and recipient of many army honors. During his military career, Singh served as the 23rd Chief of the Army Staff from 2010 to 2012. Singh took the Government of India to court in a dispute over his date of birth and subsequent retirement, becoming the first serving Indian Chief of Army Staff to take legal action against the Indian government. After he retired from the military, Singh showed support for the anti-corruption movement. He was seen on the stage in August 2012 at Ramlila Maidan in New Delhi, where the yoga instructor Ramdev was fasting in protest of alleged black money and corruption. Singh joined the Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, in 2014 and was elected Member of Parliament of the Lok Sabha for the Ghaziabad constituency of Uttar Pradesh in that year's general election. He was re-elected to the same seat in 2019. Since 30th May 2019, he is serving as the Minister of State for Road Transport and Highways in the 2nd Modi Ministry. He previously served as Minister of State for External Affairs in the 1st Modi Ministry and as Minister of State, Independent Charge, for Development of the Northeastern region. We wish you more success and honor on your birthday.